To start or stop IKE and AuthIP IPsec keying modules service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services, and then scroll down the screen. Find IKE and AuthIP IPsec keying modules, and then right-click on IKE and AuthIP IPsec keying modules, and then select Start to start or select Stop to stop. The IKE EXT service hosts the Internet Key Exchange (IKE) and Authenticated Internet Protocol (AuthIP) keying modules. These keying modules are used for authentication and key exchange in Internet Protocol Security (IPsec). Stopping or disabling the IKE EXT service will disable IKE and AuthIP key exchange with pair computers. IPsec is typically configured to use IKE or AuthIP. Therefore, stopping or disabling the IKE EXT service may result in an IPsec failure and may compromise the security of the system. It's strongly recommended that you have the IKE EXT service running. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.